What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And we're gonna be removing this headliner since it's sagging. Everything's just all messed up. I'm gonna get some fabric for it, try to redo it myself. Also with these pillars, get that redone. Same with the back ones, and we'll have an all black interior. So let's just start removing that. It's gonna be probably a pain to get out, but we'll figure something out. First, we're just gonna remove these. Then I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. And then I think I gotta pop this down. And then I'm gonna remove the pillars, 4 pillars there. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do this real quick. Sure, like all you gotta do is pop these out, and then it's a Phillips head screwdriver, and then yeah, so. All right, guys, so the headliner's out. Didn't take too long, wasn't too bad. Still gotta get that part out, but that's only easy. But yeah, so I'm gonna rip this off, prep it, and I gotta order some fabric for it. I see some on Amazon. They're all usually suede, so I might just get that cheap. I don't really care as long as it's black and it's not sagging. I don't really care what material it is. And I'm gonna put that on the pillars too. I think it'll give a nice look to it. Yeah, and then I'm gonna eventually tint my own windows too. I know that's gonna probably be pretty challenging, but I'm gonna give it a try. So yeah. All right, guys. So I honestly forgot to record me doing the headliner. I forgot that I started a video on it, like taking it out and all that. So I'm sorry about that, but I do have basically the part of what you had to do to take it out. So basically, I got this fabric off Amazon. I think it was like 80 bucks or something. It's like kind of like a suede, but it's not really suede, but that type of material. And then it got foam on the back. Wrap my headliner. I'll show you guys. Put it back in. I put these there just so I can get everything up. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with the sun visor and the sunroof. I don't even know what to call it. But yeah, so I want to paint these things black and everything. I don't know if I want to do material on this or not, because it will look better. But then again, it'll probably be really hard. But I did paint these back pieces here. Goes there. And basically, I broke a couple of the clips to hold up the back of the headliner. That goes in there. So I'm thinking when I put these in, it might just stay up enough. And then I'll go buy some push pins or something like that. Or take some from work and then just push it up that way. But yeah, so I'm just going to chuck these. I'm going to try to get these in. See if it'll hold it up decent amount. But yeah, if not, oh well, just get some push pins and call it a day. But yeah, so that's where we're at. These were beige. I painted them black. Doesn't look too bad. And I did the same thing with the front pillars too. I used vinyl paint. You can get it from like Canadian Tire or AutoZone or something if you're in the States. But yeah, so my plan is I'm going to pop this off soon because this is just an easy thing to paint. It's just a clip-in thing. I'm going to do that quickly. The handle's got to be painted. I lost a screw for right here, so it's only held up by one, which sucks. And that's another reason why this is kind of sagging. It'll hold up better, like in the front with those in. But we're going to chuck these in, pop those handles in, and call it a day. I might even pop them out and paint them. But yeah, so that's where we're at. So I'm going to try to get these in, then I'll show you guys once they're in. So we got these in. Honestly, this really changes like the inside of the car. Like it just feels more like I don't know. I don't want to really say more expensive, but it just feels more new. How newer cars have the black headliner and shit. I don't know. I'm really liking it though. Ooh, I did forget a piece of paint. The sunroof trim, but other than that, guys, like, I think this is really turned out really good. And yeah. All right, guys, so this is a sunroof trim. Kind of holds up the headliner in a way, just around the sunroof. Just gotta finish painting it. Like, it's kind of, see, there's some spots there I missed. So I just gotta put a couple more coats on, then we'll slap that in. Today I might do these. I don't know. I'll probably do the one that's already out, just so no point in putting it back in, which I should have done before, but I just wanted to get the headliner up. But yeah, she's looking good, guys. All right, guys, so just to finish off the headliner video, like I said, I painted the pillars with fabric paint, and same with the pillars back there. Still has some touch-up things to do. I'm just too busy with work right now, so I can't. Like, I still have to put that one in that I painted. I just didn't have time to do it. But yeah, basically, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do here. I think I might paint it. Definitely gonna paint that and all the handles and probably this too. So I mean, that's gonna be it for the video. Maybe I'll do like a reel or something, show you guys what it looks like when it's fully done. But right now you can get the gist. Like, it's looking way better. Even with these there, it doesn't look that bad at all. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching, always supporting and stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.